Hello everyone, let's start by installing Blender. Simply type Blender download into Google and the official Blender website will show up. Click on the link to go to the website and download the latest version. At the time of this video, the current version is 2.93, but there might be a newer version available when you're watching. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and double-click the file to start the installation. By default, Blender will be installed in C:\program files \Blender Foundation. You'll also find a shortcut created during installation, which you can pin to your taskbar for quick access if you like. That's it. Blender is now installed and ready to use. See you in the next video.